Hello, happy holidays, and welcome back for another video. My name is Caitlin, and I hope you all are having a great day today. Today we're making eggnog cookies, and this is video 8 of our 12 Days of Christmas Cookie series. So before we get started on the video, subscribe to my channel. I have tons of new recipes coming out. I've got plans for the new year as well, so you don't want to miss any of that. And let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to add into your mixer is 3/4 of a cup of butter, as well as 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/4 cup of eggnog. You also need to add in 1 cup of sugar. Then we can turn the mixer on. Once it's starting to be mixed together, you can add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then we're going to turn that on low just to mix that through as well. Once your batter is pretty well mixed, we can add in the flour. And it's going to be 2½ cups of flour. So, 1 cup. Then we're going to mix it. And once it's mixed together, the flour's disappeared, you can add in cup number 2 and turn your mixer back on. And once that's mixed, you can add in the last 1/2 of a cup. Alright, so once your batter is done, you want to take 2 spoons. I already got some batter on there, but you want to take 2 spoons and about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half of cookie dough. And you want to just place that gently on a greased cookie sheet. And once you have 12 cookies on your cookie sheet, you're going to want to put them into a preheated 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes. Alright, here they are! Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!